Have you ever wondered why the Great Wall of China was built in the first place? This colossal structure has long been a source of fascination and intrigue, often shrouded in myths and misconceptions. Some think it's just a fortification against invasions, others believe it's a symbol of isolation. Then there's the mystery of its visibility from space, a claim that's largely debated. Well, the story behind this architectural marvel is as vast and winding as the wall itself. Our journey begins in the 7th century BC, during the Warring States period. This was a time of great turmoil and incessant warfare, where separate states vied for dominance. To protect their territories, these states erected walls, but not a single unified structure as we might imagine today. No, these were multiple, disparate fortifications strewn across the land. Enter Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of a unified China. His reign marked a significant turning point. With a vision of a unified nation, he ordered the linking of these individual walls. This monumental task was no small feat. It required vast resources, countless laborers, and an unyielding will. Yet, it was this very endeavor that laid the groundwork for what would become the magnificent Great Wall. So, it was in the pursuit of unification and protection that the inception of the Great Wall as we know it took place. As dynasties rose and fell, so did the chapters of the Great Wall's story unfold. The Han Dynasty, succeeding the Qin, continued the mammoth task of wall construction, extending its reach to protect the burgeoning Silk Road trade. The Northern Wei followed suit, fortifying the wall to guard their territories. But it was during the Sui dynasty that the wall saw significant architectural advancements. Innovations in design and materials made it a more formidable barrier against invasions. However, the Sui's grandiose projects, including the wall, led to their downfall due to overwork and rebellion. The Ming dynasty, arguably the wall's golden age, took the challenge head-on, creating the most recognized sections of the wall we see today. The Ming turned the wall into a colossal fortress, with watchtowers for surveillance, beacon towers for communication, and fortresses for troop deployment. They built with brick and stone, making the wall sturdier and more enduring than ever before. But the wall was not just about defense. It was a bustling artery of trade, facilitating the exchange of goods and ideas along the Silk Road. It was a physical and symbolic line of demarcation, separating the civilized world of the empire from the barbarian lands beyond. In essence, the Great Wall was more than a mere barrier. It was a symbol of power, a conduit for commerce, and a demarcation of civilization. The wall evolved with each dynasty, reflecting their strengths, fears, and aspirations, making it an enduring testament to China's rich and complex history. From its ancient origins to its iconic status today, the Great Wall has stood the test of time. Today, the Great Wall of China is more than just a monument, it's a symbol of the timeless spirit of human determination and ingenuity, recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. It's a testament to China's rich and vibrant history, a tangible link to the past that continues to evoke awe and wonder. The wall is not just a relic, but a living, breathing part of Chinese culture that deeply resonates with those who visit it. In the realm of tourism, the Great Wall serves as a magnetic pull, drawing millions from across the globe. It's a journey through time, a window into the past, offering a unique perspective of the world as it once was. Indeed, the Great Wall of China continues to be a testament to the enduring legacy of human endeavor. So, what have we learned about the Great Wall of China? We've traced its roots back to the tumultuous times of the Warring States period, when the first bricks were laid as a protective measure against invasions. We've seen how it evolved under the watchful eyes of various dynasties, each leaving their unique imprint on this colossal structure. The Great Wall, much like a tapestry, is a woven narrative of China's historical saga, reflecting the resilience, ingenuity, and determination of its people. Today it stands as a cultural and historical icon, a testament to China's rich past and a beacon for future explorations. In our quest to understand the Great Wall, we've ventured through the annals of Chinese history, unearthing stories etched in stone and time. And in doing so, we've discovered that walls, despite their silent demeanor, can narrate captivating tales, if we're patient and willing enough to listen. In unraveling the mysteries of the Great Wall, we've journeyed through centuries of Chinese history, reminding us that walls can indeed tell tales, if only we're willing to listen.